Right. So here we have a nice decking, we're at the Image Sports Bar and thing, putting on the upstairs lounge area. This is just the decking we're trying to, get it started out, but due to a lack of water because of a burst main on the road, work has been postponed for later date. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get to. So this has kind of cost us a little bit of time. We're trying to get things open by at least March next year. So it's caused a slight delay. The building was supposed to be flashlight stuff, but there's no water, so But hopefully the water comes. We're here trying to extend the back part of the property for, I guess, better parking and stuff. Well, the venue already has a lot of parking, because for instance, you're downstairs and the conjoining property over by the other side can facilitate parking as well. So we're just trying to figure it out. I think I should give you like a proper layout of the building, like how it is set up. So, alright. So over far in the front there, the other part that is about to be decked is like the main office. There is where you would go like to order your food and stuff. We have the next here. Here is our like serving area. Below me, I think is a passage with like the staff back. Right here is another like passage area below this. Over here we have the bar. Over there now is the guest bathroom, and upstairs we are planning to make all of this that you're seeing being done as basically a lounge area. Downstairs has a lot of space too, but we're still trying to put more space up here. We're thinking of so here, we have our boss. Well, he's not in proper work attire now, but this is how we normally do work. Safety comes first and stuff. Yeah. So down here we are giving you a better view of the bar and stuff. Like, just imagine like just sitting at this bar counter and stuff, like just ordering your drinks and stuff. Over there, we're giving you a better view. Yeah, coming on very well. Basically, it's a at least three-story building. So now we're gonna give you a view of downstairs. So you would walk from up this area. Around here we have but it's for sure any view or this, So down there now is where we basically install our steps. So you come down this side. Down here you have everything down here that you need. The driver will wait for our car. I said basically we'll go back home, go do some home stuff. But down here basically